Welcome to Wikipedia World, and this time we're going to discuss the second stage in terms of respirations. We have the Krebs Cycle. Krebs Cycle is a part of cellular respiration, and it is named after Hans Krebs, and it is a series of chemical reactions used by all aerobic organisms to generate energy. Its importance to many biochemical pathways suggests that it was one of the earliest parts of cellular metabolism. Comes after the nucleation and provides the hydrogen and electrons needed for the electron transport chain. It takes place inside the mitochondria. A series of enzymatic reactions that catalyze the aerobic metabolism of fuel molecules to carbon dioxide and water, thereby generating energy for the production of adenosine phosphate or ATP molecules. Again, Krebs cycle is named because much of its elucidation was the work of the British biochemist Hans Krebs. Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle, or also known as tricarboxylic acid cycle, is inside the mitochondria and the oxidation of pyruvic acid into carbon. In 1936, this was discovered, and citric acid cycle begins with the fermentation of the citric acid, and the citric acid is a carboxylic acid containing three carbon dioxide hydrogen groups. Hence, in these cycles, the reason it's also called as tricarboxylic acid oxygen. It is an aerobic process because it composes three molecules or elements. We have the carbon dioxide, oxygen, and hydrogen. We have here in the diagram the citric acid cycle, and we have here the difference between the first stage and the second stage of respiration. And glycolysis we have occurs in the inside of the cytoplasm, while Krebs cycle is inside the mitochondria, and in glycolysis we have the process which is common to both aerobic and anaerobic mode of respiration, but in the Krebs cycle it only occurs in aerobic respiration. In glycolysis, the first step of respiration, in which glucose is the breakdown or the broken down to the level of pyruvate, while in the Krebs cycle, it is processed into the second step in respiration. Glycolysis is also consumed two ATP molecules for the initial phosphorylation of substance molecule, while Krebs cycle does not consume ATP. In glycolysis, one glucose molecule liberates four ATP molecules through substance level phosphorylation, while in the Krebs cycle, we only have two acetyl residues liberates two ATP or GTP molecules through substance level of phosphorylation. Also, the meaning of glycolysis, we have the two molecules of NAD